Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new weekly review. Two trades I want to discuss with you. First is Euro NZD. We do have this shift of momentum on the monthly, and from there on, I expect some relief until at least this IC. When I go to the weekly, we touched this IC, and from there on, the bulls were kicking in. And previous week, we closed above this buying zone. So this zone is in our favor together with the IC. Then when I go to the daily, what did I have? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. We had the bullish M. From there on, this engulfing candle. And on the 2-hour, I placed my limit. Stop loss had plus 5 pips. From there on, the push. And I took a -1. I knew that there was a possibility that the price still wanted to go to the weekly zone for another retest, but I wanted to take the risk, calculated risk for me, because we had the weekly, daily, 4-hour. The other setup that I would like to share was Pound JPY. I had my eye on this setup for quite a while. On the monthly, we had this monthly selling zone. It was in 2008, but the last time we came in this region, we had sellers kicking in. On the weekly, we see this impulse, correction with the trend, and from there on, switch of momentum in combination with a head and shoulder pattern. The shoulder is an IC as well. Then I could go to the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, we had this impulse, correction with the trend, shift of momentum. So I placed my entry on the 4-hour Nick. Stop loss just above. And from there on, a nice risk to reward for the weekly take profit. Price went a bit lower. Tapped me in on TradingView, but I was not tapped in on my broker. And from there on, price went all the way down until at least 3.5%, and it's making some relief right now. So a bit unlucky here, and -1 for the week. To be honest, Euro NZD, when I did my review, it was not the best trade that I could take. Pound JPY, the best trade I could take. Been eyeing this one for a few weeks, and as you can see, it played out perfectly. Just a bit of bad luck. It is what it is. On to the next week, and we will see each other tomorrow on a new Sunday market breakdown.